Dear audience, today the topic of my speech is the festival of Christmas that falls every year on the 25th of December is regarded as the biggest festival of Christians. Christmas is the biggest festival of Christians and is celebrated by people all over the world. The number of people belonging to Christianity in Pakistan is limited in number and is dispersed. Despite this factor, the festival is celebrated with great pomp. In Pakistan, December 25 is also a holiday regarding the birthday of Khadim. On the same day, the Christian community in Pakistan celebrates Christmas. It marks the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy in the whole world. The festival is not only celebrated by Christians but also by the people of all religions. The festival of Christmas is most awaited by children. They love celebrating the festival of Christmas because they eagerly wait for the gifts given by Santa Claus. The preparations for the Christmas celebration are started a week before the arrival of Christmas. The decoration of the Christmas tree is an important part of celebration of Christmas. The children are most excited for the festival as Christmas is celebrated in every school before it closes for the winter vacation. In most schools, Christmas and New Year are celebrated together before the winter vacation. The program related to the birth of Jesus Christ are prepared and presented by the students and teachers. The Christmas cake is cut by the principal and is distributed among all the school staff and children. Lastly, the function is ended by the arrival of Santa Claus with the song Jingle Bell, Jingle All the Way. The Santa Claus gives the blessings to the children and distributes the gifts among them. The cake and gifts are also distributed to poor children by the school staff on this day.